Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Three things I love are pineapple, pork, and rice. So I decided to put this together, and obviously it's called pineapple pork rice. Incredibly delicious. You can do it in one pan in no time. So let me show you how to do this. So first up, what I got here is a couple of pork chops that I've cut into strips. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cornstarch, just to make it tender and glossy. A tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. And of course, my all-time favorite spice, lots of pepper. So we're just going to kind of mix this up, mixed up just like me. And allow this to marinate for about 15-20 minutes. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. Add that yummy marinated pork in. And we're just going to fry this till it's brown and cooked through. This smells so good, guys. Once the pork is beautifully golden brown and this looks and smells incredibly delicious, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to saute this for a couple of minutes. After the garlic has become fragrant, and believe me, this smells great and there won't be any vampires in this house, I'm going to add in a cup of pineapple chunks, 2 cups of rice that I cooked the night before. And this is jasmine rice, but you can use the rice of your choice. And some oyster sauce. And this is about 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to kind of eyeball this. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a toss. Lastly, to add a little bit more flavor, I'm going to add a bit more soy sauce. And garnish it up with some green onions for that green effect. This smells so good, guys. Give it another toss. Kill the heat and we're ready to serve. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is just incredible, guys. The sweetness of the pineapple, the rice, the pork is beautifully spiced. You're gonna love this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. You'll find tons of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.